Hey makers, today I'm going to be doing silk screen cleaning and showing you guys what works for me and what doesn't. So let's get started. So first I tried hand sanitizer and it didn't work. It tore off some of the fabric. Secondly, I tried acetone, which also melted off the fabric on my palm leaves. And finally, I dared to try bleach and epic fail, melted the screen right away and my heart. So now I'm pulling this defected screen I have, and my first go-to is always a water bath. So as you can see, the screen left a lot of blotchiness and it's uneven, so we're going to fix that. And like I said, water bath is always my first choice, and I put something on top so it's fully underwater. So my second choice is using an acrylic paint remover. It is oil-based, so we let it soak for about 5 to 7 minutes. And then I rub it gently all over the screen, let it sit, and then you rub it. It's like a soap consistency. And then after rubbing, this actually works really well with ghosting, so I mainly use it for that. And then you want to rinse off the solution. And right afterwards, I do use dish soap because it is oil-based. So we do a final rinse after that as well. And now let's pull. And like I said, it's not a 100% solution, but it does the trick. And it is a lot better than the first pull. So that is the acrylic paint remover. Now I'm going to pull another defected screen I have, which I use often. And this one is just a hot mess. So you can see all the blotchiness, the unevenness, it's faded. I can't use this clay. So now I'm going to show you my magical trick. And it's the ironing method. So what I do is I wet my screen and then pat dry it between paper towels, and then sandwich the screen between a thin kitchen towel. And with your iron on low heat and high steam, go over your screen until it's nice and flat and dry. So I think here, yeah, it was still a little wet, so I went over it again, and it's such a bonus because it gets the screen super flat and it makes it stick to the clay right away. And now let's do the reveal pull, and let me tell you, I am over the moon about this method, and I hope this works for you guys as well. And look at that, perfect. So much better. Now I can use my clay. Hope this video was helpful, guys, and let me know if you try any of them out, and make sure to like and follow for more tips and tricks on Thursdays with Hello Mellow Jewelry. Bye.